You are probably using Microsoft Edge if you are on Windows, or Safari if you are on Mac. So just get into one of these search engine and type download Google Chrome. And then you can click here and go directly to the download and installation page. It's a pretty simple process. You just need to go in the right link. Just click the first link and proceed with the download. So you can see here that we can click on download the installation file, and we have also other instruction and information. And this is the download page again. So I'm gonna click on this button here and I will save the file, which will be called Chrome Setup, in my download folder. I can also click here and open this when it's finished to download. And also you can find here other information or instruction. Of course, you can get Google Chrome on your phone as well, and you can synchronize them so that you can use both together, your desktop version or laptop version and also your smartphone version. Now you can see here I'm starting up the installation, which is gonna be really easy. Now if it doesn't open up automatically, you can click here and download Chrome manually. So you can click on this little link, and again you will see here in the download page the application. You double click on that or open it up with the right click and open, and it's gonna again begin your installation. Now the download will last accordingly to your internet connection. So here we are just have to wait a few seconds. Now if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you want to support us, please join and check our other video guides and also video courses, which are for beginners like this, but also for experts in terms of software. You will find 3D modeling software or graphic design software. And there you go. This is Google Chrome installed on your computer. And by the way, this is the World Day for the teacher. So this is nice. And there it is. This is Google Chrome. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and stay tuned. See you in the next video.